Hello.
Hi, welcome to the photography walk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to join the photo group.
You want to join the photo group?
That's great. We meet every Saturday.
That's great. We meet every Saturday.
You have not joined a photo group before?
No problem. We welcome beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring your camera or your phone.
Do I need to pay?
No, joining the group is free.
What do you take pictures of?
We take pictures of the city, people, and nature.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try photography.
That's wonderful. We look forward to seeing your photos.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to our eco bakery. Can I help you?
Yes, I want buy bread without eggs.
You want to buy bread without eggs?
Yes, we have some here.
I not eat eggs.
You do not eat eggs? No problem. This bread is made with only flour, water, and yeast.
Is it soft?
Yes, it is soft and fresh every day.
How much is one loaf?
One loaf is $3.
Can I taste before I buy?
Yes, here is a small piece to try.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find egg-free bread.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your bread. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the rooftop garden. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to grow tomatoes in pots.
You want to grow tomatoes in pots?
That's a great idea.
I not grow tomatoes before.
You have not grown tomatoes before?
No problem. They are easy to start.
What I need to begin?
You need a big pot, good soil, and tomato plants.
How much sun they need?
Tomatoes need at least 6 hours of sun every day.
How often I water them?
Water them when the soil feels dry, usually every day.
Can I grow them on my balcony?
Yes, tomatoes grow well on balconies too.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try gardening.
That's wonderful. Enjoy growing your tomatoes.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to Repair Day. Can I help you?
Yes, I want fix my broken lamp.
You want to fix your broken lamp?
Of course. What is wrong with it?
It not turn on.
It does not turn on? Maybe the bulb is broken or the wire is loose.
I not fix lamp before.
You have not fixed a lamp before?
No problem, I can show you.
What I need to bring next time?
Just bring your lamp and maybe a new bulb.
How long it take to fix?
It usually takes about 20 minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to learn something new.
That's wonderful. Let's fix your lamp together.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Digital Art Fair. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a digital print.
You want to buy a digital print?
That's great. We have many prints here.
I not buy digital art before.
You have not bought digital art before.
No problem, it's easy.
How do I get the print?
You can get it by email or download after you pay.
How much one print cost?
One print is $5.
Can I print it at home?
Yes, you can print it at home or at a shop.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try digital art.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new art print.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the outdoor language class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want practice English with a group.
You want to practice English with a group?
That's great. We have group practice every Saturday.
I not practice with group before.
You have not practiced with a group before?
No problem. Everyone is friendly.
What I need to bring?
Just bring yourself and a notebook.
How many people in the group?
How many people in the group?
What do we talk about?
We talk about daily life, hobbies, and travel.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to join the group.
That's wonderful. The more you practice, the better you get.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the bike wash. Can I help you?
Yes, I want clean my bicycle.
You want to clean your bicycle.
That's great. We have everything you need.
I not clean my bike before.
You have not cleaned your bike before?
No problem. I can show you.
What I need to do first?
First, use water to wash off the dirt.
Can I use soap?
Yes, use this soap and a sponge.
How long it take to clean?
It takes about 20 minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to have a clean bike.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your next ride.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to our Smoothie Bowl Cafe. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if you have nut-free options.
You want to know if we have nut-free options? Yes, we do.
I not eat nuts.
You do not eat nuts? No problem. We have bowls with only fruit and seeds.
What is in the nut-free bowl?
It has banana, berries, seeds, and coconut.
Can I add honey?
Yes, you can add honey or maple syrup.
How much is one bowl?
One bowl is $4.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find safe food.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your smoothie bowl.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the chess tournament. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to join the tournament, but I am a beginner.
You want to join as a beginner?
That's great. Beginners are welcome here.
I not play chess very well.
You do not play chess very well.
No problem. We have a beginner group.
What I need to bring?
Just bring yourself. We have chessboards here.
How many games I play?
You can play as many games as you want.
Is there a prize for beginners?
Yes, we have a small prize for the best beginner.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try chess.
That's wonderful. Have fun and enjoy the tournament.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to Knitting Day. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to learn to knit a hat.
You want to learn to knit a hat?
That's wonderful. Have you knitted before?
I not knit before.
You have not knitted before.
No problem. We teach beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring some yarn and knitting needles.
Just bring some yarn and knitting needles.
It takes a few hours, but you can finish in one day.
Is it hard?
It is easy if you go slow and follow the steps.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try knitting.
That's wonderful. You will make a beautiful hat.